broke, broke, yeah, broke it did. Uh, so we're gonna hit it a bunch of times with different things. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, we have no more use for this water heater. Just gonna go to scrap, and figured why not make a YouTube video? Now I got nothing better to do. Well, the water heater has nothing better to do. I don't know how hard it'd be to break into one of these things. That's what we're here to test. Okay, have barely left a dent. Sticks perfectly fine. Okay, barely a dent. Might be harder than I thought. Once again, nothing. Might be harder than I thought to do. But, yeah. Alright, so, we got this thing next. It's just sharp. Probably won't do anything. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that's a little bigger dent. It's still nothing noticeable. We got the big spear next. This went clean through the box. That's metal. Hard to tell what it'll do. That's a little bigger hole dent. Go close range. Okay. Okay. Nothing. Literally almost nothing. Just missed. Okay, still nothing. That hurts my hands, honestly. Still just a couple dents. Can't even hit it. Still just dents. Not expecting it. Well, I kind of was. Because it's wood against metal. I don't know. I really didn't have this video planned through. Now we got the mini sledgehammer. We never really witnessed its full potential. There's a dent. Still, no hole in the water heater. Oh, there's a seam. running out of ideas a lot quick. Running out of ideas a lot quicker than I thought I would. Somebody clean this up. Now we got the splitting maul. We'll hit it with the not sharp end first, see if it does anything. Okay, that's a hefty dent right there. Now we'll hit it with the sharp end. Just get rid of this thing too. See if we can. Put a hole in it. What is that? No way. Took care of that. Full of like spray foam and spray foam. What? I'm into something. Let's open this thing up. More fuzz. There we go. Oh. What is it? Ah, tight. A bunch of wiring. See what's in the bottom one. More wiring. Rust. Huh. See if we can get this thing. You got fuzz in there. Okay. Wait, did it break something? It broke something. I'm sure you could probably like eat this stuff, but I probably wouldn't. Ooh. It's got just more wires in there and temperature gauge. That's probably not important. That thing's gone now. Okay, that thing's gone. Or if we like just hit it like a baseball bat. That's an even bigger hole. What the? Huh. That's some damage right there. I have one more thing I want to try out. I just missed with that. This is a modern industrial spear. Say they use these for taking out excavators. Probably. They like dump trucks. Stuff, big stuff like that, because they don't have dinosaurs to hunt anymore. Because this is not primitive. So, I'm expecting this to do the most damage out of everything. Cat did the least. Or close to the least. Okay, not much. What if I like? There we go. Still, not an awful lot. And there you can see what's in the inside of a water heater. Not very interesting what's in the inside. That was decent. Could have done better. Yeah. Wait. That didn't do anything. It's a lot harder than I expected it to be. I didn't think it was that good of metal. So you made it to the end of the video, so you can enjoy yourself a groundhog compilation. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.